How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers for tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. So, for example, that one and that one too. As you can see here, we have over 300k of followers, and it's powered by AI, and it's followed by real people. As you can see here, we have a lot of likes and comments, and it's an AI influencer. That means it doesn't exist, and I'll help you to create yours and then earn money with it. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to do the voiceover. You don't have even to write the script. A lot of influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So, first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. So you can create your AI character. You don't have to create it actually because we have here hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. So this is the first one and this is the second one. You can choose the one you want and you will start signing up. But before signing up, you can just go to these options and read to get more information about the website. So here we have use cases, features, resources, company, pricing, and if we scroll down over here, you'll find a lot of details that can help you to more understand. As you can see here, we have AI avatar, so you can choose the one suits you, and then you will start making or creating video with this AI avatar. So to get started, you can just click over here as I mentioned, and then you will enter your email, your verification code, and you will answer for a few questions. Then you will start signing up, and it will lead you to this home page. So this is the home page. As you can see, you can find my recent creations. I already have account here, and here we have hygiene learning guide, so you can get more information about AI studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation, how it works, and then you will go to templates. So you will find a lot of templates that with the various topics, of course, with the different AI characters, so you can choose the one suits your content, and then you will start editing it. And if you want to create your own video, you can just click on which avatar you want. So you can go over here and then go to um, studio avatar, and you'll find a lot of AI character can that you can choose to start with it. So let's for example select that one. So here we have three dot, so you can click on edit your avatar if you want to edit it or get avatar ID. So here we have if you want to create videos or what we're gonna need, and if you wanna click on the landscape, that means you wanna start videos like videos on YouTube. So this is a description, Vanessa in tank top, and then we'll go to landscape. As you can see, a lot of options appear. So here we have this AI character. You can change the place. So for example, you can put it in the left or in the right or in the middle, and you can also zoom it if you want to. And here we have animation if you want to add effect on intro or added effect on leave, and also if you want to add it a script, of course you can delete that one and then you will add it yours. You will add it another one if you want, the third one if you want, and also if you want to add a post section between two um, script. So here we have 3 seconds, you can make it less or more. And here we have added recording, so you can add the recording by clicking on here, click to start, and then you will upload, if you want to upload of course audio. So here we have GPT script writer. If you want help to write your script, so you can just click over here and then you will write this, the topic what is about, and it will help you to write one. And here we have translation, so you can translate your script, and then you will translate your script of course to a specific language if you want to. So here we have the voice, so if you want the voice, so this is a lot of type of voices, so you can find natural voice, explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks voice, e-learning, narration, games voice. So it's depend on your content and what you want. And here we have various languages that can be your voice with. And here we have the gender, so if you want it male or female. Here I already choose the AI character is female, so of course I will choose the female voice. And here we have the age, so you can select which age you want. And there we have the function, so you can select which function you want. And this is it, so you can make some modification to make your video more professional, and then you will click on submit and your video will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. So this is how you can make your video, and there's a lot of various way to earn money. So you can, for example, start with as an affiliate marketing using this EI character, like for example Impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So, by promoting products or services through affiliate partnership, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through their referral links, or you can just create a video guide using an AI influencer. Can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. Choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about, and then you start scripting, and you will write a script of your video guide. And you can use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, and any demonstration you plan to include. Just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencers. So this is just 2 examples that you can start with. So there's a lot of examples that you can earn money with using AI influencers. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.